Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at how to generate a script of an already existing database. So to do that, let's go to our databases. I'm going to use my bank DB. So what I need to do is to right click the database and then go to tax, click on tax and then select generate script. Once the window opens, click on next. You have the option to generate script for the entire database and database objects, or you can select specific database objects, right? So let's select a specific one. Now I have the option to select the tables. So let's select this table here. If you have users, you can also select. Let me select one user. Now I'll click on next and then click on advanced here. I'll scroll down to types of data to script. So here you can see it's on schema only. I'll change it to schema and data because I want the schema and the data. Click on OK. And then here you can save it, save as script file, save as notebook. You can select either of them. For this purpose, I'm just going to open it in a query window for you to see the generated script for the schema and data. So I'll select open a new query window, click on next, and then my script will be generated. Let's wait for a few seconds for it to finish. All right, so we have our schema and our data. So you can see the schema, use my bank DB, create user. So this is the user, the schema for the user, right? And then this is the schema for the database that we select. The database is my bank DB, and then the table, that's the customer table that we selected. So we have the schema and then also we have the data. If you like this, subscribe, like, and share for more. See you in the next video.